Good day guys, welcome. Today we're discussing how to use a physical keyboard to play Roblox on your iPad. So guys, whether it's for better control or more screen space, here's how to set it up. So make sure your iPad is running iPad OS 14.5 or later and that you have a Bluetooth or smart keyboard connected, Apple Magic Keyboard, Logitech Combo Touch, and most Bluetooth models will work. After that, open Settings, General, Keyboard, Hardware Keyboard. Turn on full keyboard access if it's available. Launch the Roblox app from the App Store, log in and join any game. The game will still default to touch controls, but basic keyboard movement keys like WASD, spacebar, and escape should now function in most Roblox games. Not all games support keyboard input on iPad natively. For better compatibility, use games labeled PC supported or games optimized for keyboard and mouse input. And that's basically how to play by using your keyboard on iPad. Like and subscribe for more mobile gaming tips, and let me know if you want to see how to add a mouse for full control. Thanks for watching.